Today we're gonna ask fellow Case Million students and teachers about their opinion, and I quote, DepEd teaming up with parents, guardians, and mental health program.
Yes, I think the DepEd is capable of making a mental program for students because in our school, I think DepEd has already decided to make up a program called YRK Kabataan, Rescue Kabataan or RT for students who are slightly problem with some problems of addiction and bad doings. So that's it.